You joined Threads. Now what? Let's dive into how it works. Step 1, proper profile setup. For Instagram users, Threads makes it easy. It will migrate many of your preferred features automatically. For example, when you create an account, you're prompted to use your Instagram account name, migrate your Instagram profile picture, and follow the same people you follow on Instagram. If you want to make changes, go to the person icon at the bottom of the navigation bar. Once set up, there you can choose a new profile picture from your device, add a bio link, and choose privacy settings. When creating your bio, you are limited on space, so be specific. It needs to tell your followers who you are and what you do. Write clear, short sentences or even action words. Link your website to your account so followers can learn more about you. If you're familiar with Instagram, the settings and functionality in the top right corner are similar. You will find ways to follow and invite friends, manage your notifications, privacy, and account. This is also where you'll find the help and account sections and where you'll log out. Take time to go through each of these and optimize for your preferences. Do you want a push notification? How tight do you want your privacy settings? What we really like about this section is that Threads has linked your Instagram privacy for some of the advanced features. Additionally, this is where you can go to set limits on language use, hidden words, or even mute other accounts. In the account section, you can optimize your personal information and security. This will link to your other Meta accounts. This is also where we will plug in that you need to have two-factor authentication turned on to protect your personal information and access to your accounts. Now that you are set up and optimized, this is the time to make your first post. You can do this by navigating to the bottom bar and selecting the post button. A new thread will appear and you will have up to 500 characters of text, images, or 5 minutes of video that you can use to engage in meaningful conversations with your followers. While you can't search hashtags yet, go ahead and put some in. When you think the post is ready, hit post. On every thread, including those you create and those created by others, you can like or heart, reply, repost with thoughts or a quote, share to a story, your Instagram feed, copy the link, or share outside of the platform. When you navigate to the heart on the bottom of the navigation bar, you will see all of your activity. In the top of the navigation of your activity screen, you'll also be able to see replies to your posts and engagements and any mentions. It makes it easy to respond quickly to others. The magnifying glass allows you to search accounts that you would like to follow. When you see one, click the profile name, then the follow button. Then you get back to the Threads home screen and click the house on the bottom navigation button, or you can also navigate to the profile page. These features are all newly released and there are likely to be changes. For the latest on Threads, be sure to follow us at Bootcamp Digital.